Good morning, beauty babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a step-by-step makeup tutorial of this look. So if you guys do want to see how to do that, just keep on watching. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm starting this new series on how to step-by-step, literally how to blend, what brush to use. I'm going to be showing you guys all this on this tutorial. So let's get into the video, and enough of me talking, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so to start this step-by-step, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic Daisy's palette. So y'all, we are going to use the shade Flower, Karma, Matter, Bitter. We're just going to mix it up a lot. So guys, to start, we're going to start with our e.l.f. Cosmetic blending eye brush. And yeah, we are going to start with Matter, which is the black shadow. So guys, we are going to put Matter right in our outer corner, and we're going to press it right there, and then move it in a circle motion, so slow that you can't even see it. Okay, y'all, now we're gonna go with the Flower, which is the yellow. And we're gonna start from in, and then we're bringing it out, and then we're putting it all over into a like brow line. We're going there with it. It's really hard to see, y'all. And then using the BH Cosmetic number 6 again, y'all, we are going to go with Karma, which is an orange. It's like an orange reddish shade, and we are going with it on top of Flower. Okay, y'all, now we're gonna go with a different brush, and this one is the Elizabeth Matte All Over Shadow. And then we are going to go with Bittersweet, which is purple or dark purple, and we're going to put it on top of the black. Going back with the e.l.f., we're going to go with Matter and then Bittersweet, and we're mixing those two together. Okay, y'all, now you cut your crease to your liking, because everyone have a way they cut their crease, so I'm not gonna tell you how to cut yours. So I did that off camera. Now we're gonna go with the shade Daisy, which is a light blue. I love this shade, it's so gorgeous. I'm all for it. And then we're gonna put it on. Okay, once you have it all over your cut crease, you're gonna go with your purple, which is the shade Bitterness. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna blend the purple and the blue together. Okay, now that my under eye is clean, I'm gonna go with Karma. And I'm gonna put it on my waterline. And then I'm going to mix bittersweet and matte together. Okay, now I'm going with the STALK Me glitter shadow, and this is the shade French Vanilla. Placing that right in my corner. And I'm gonna go with this brush right here. And I'm still going to go with the STALK Me glitter shadow. And I'm gonna go with it on my on my brow bone. And then y'all, I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and this one is the Makeup Shack. Okay, as I let my lashes here to dry a little bit, I'm going to go with the Tarte mascara. Okay, I'm going to the other eyes of caramel. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, now that both eyes are done, we're going to move on to face. And before you apply anything, you should always moisturize your face. So this is the Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. I don't use it a lot, but it's good. I use it once or twice, and it does the work. Okay guys, and then I always go with oil, and this is the Luminous Dry Oil Moisturizer. Make sure your hands are clean too, y'all. Okay, y'all, the foundation I've been using, because it's summertime and it gives you this natural glow, is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable. It's amazing for the summer. Just enough coverage. And then you can use a brush or a beauty blender. I've been liking using this brush a lot, so I just use a brush. And I pressed it into my skin. And look at this beautiful finish. It gives you this beautiful glowy finish. It's amazing. If you have not tried it, go try it because it's good. So now I use the Stay Matte Rimmel London Concealer. It also gives you this beautiful finish too. I just put 3 dots and then 1 and a circle on the tip of my nose, because I like to highlight there. And I usually go with a beauty blender or like a brush too, but I'm gonna go with the brush. For contour, I've been using the Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, This is from It Cosmetics. It's too dark for me, so it's like a perfect contour. Okay, this is where I switched to a beauty blender. You have to know the shape of your face so you can contour. It took me a long time to know my face shape and what kind of contour go with it. So you have to know that so you can have a snatched contour. Or you can just bring your lips together like this. Okay, y'all, now to set your face. I've been using the Becca powder a lot. I'm not even gonna lie, a lot, guys. I used it a lot. Okay guys, so this is the time now that I just bronze raw and then just take the powder out because I do not like to bake. So I use the Benefit Cosmetic bronzer, Habla bronzer. As I bronze on my face, I take the powder out, spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Summer Saltic. And yeah, before my face dry, I go with the All Natural Tarte palette, and then I go with the shade Treasure and Escape, and then I highlight. I give you this natural glow that I think everyone wants. Guys, for lip, people usually like to overline the lips. I do not like to do that because I think I have a pretty big lip already. So I usually just put a darker lipstick. I line my lip with the darker lipstick. This time I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more step by step, just let me know because I really enjoy doing this. And I just want to get a video. Bye beauty babes.